The man found an abandoned newborn white lion cub and decided he knew that leaving it behind meant certain death, but taking it in would change his life forever. With a deep breath, he bent down, scooped up the tiny creature, and decided this cub would not die alone. The cub was no longer abandoned. It had found a family, and the family had found something just as precious: loyalty, love, and a reminder that even the wildest hearts can learn to live in peace when shown compassion.